Okay, yɛnhyia na yɛmmo akɔ aba quick one na yɛmfa nsɛm ahodoɔ a ɛdi tie na ɛdi ɛsɛ fata sɛ wonya quick updates ɛwɔ famous club o darling club no ho no yɛnyɛ ho adwuma quick one ɛmfa ma osisi a na yɛntumi ɛnkɔ yɛnim. On this episode, Lord Amoah ɛho asɛm ɛda yɛnim sisi a ɛsɛ yɛde ɛma yɛnatiefoɔ ɛno nso ɛpa ho ɛkɔ n'anim a aberanteɛ Emmanuel Entwi ho nkɔmmɔ kakra Eda yenim asante Kotoko trip to hohoi yebedom suko na afei nso yɛde hohoi ho nsɛnsɛm kakra baako mmienu mmiɛnsa ato dwa Kotoko coaches ɛna afei nso management ɔmahyia mu dada yɛka ho asɛm akyerɛw but technical handlers no wɔn ɛne entire playing staff ɛdi nkɔmmɔ ansa ne nnɛ anɔpa yi wɔn ɛtu wɔn to yɛde ho nkyerɛmu nyinaa no ebetu anim on this super fantastic episode na yahu said in so no ko GFA said ya share ade bia se quota no wo mo ba be increase di ama foreign team players atimi abo local team no enye honko another area yate se ombetumi ahwe na omapagya ho no nso no eye number of cards a player edi ewo Ghana Football League mu a otena fie 3 matches esa otena fie 1 game ade a too quick say obesimi enya ehun twemu nso ewa ha na ebikwa akwati Kotoko on this game a yene Hoho United ekwa akobo no yenkwai na yemfa nsem ne nyina ne nsom live ewo GA Okay, yara se oguso subscribe ma na wodi achi na yeko animu intentem so Kotoko ene Hoho United ebo on Sunday adom dum ya yenim se Kotoko etosu num Hoho United nso tosu duba ko na Hoho United for no 12 games so ma win mu 3 eno ma draw 5 eno ma lose 4 yenim se Kotoko win mu 5 a draw 6 eno ma lose 1 Hoho United asha 12 goals and asha 13 edi etiano enti Hoho ewo -1 goal and all 14 points Kotoko so asha 14 and asha 8 edi etiano and I say enti Kotoko ewo 6 goals or 21 points and so and a Hoho so 14 points etoso edubako in as much as Kotoko so etoso enumsa eni nchemu kakra yedema inatiefo ewo mu Kotoko ekwa kopie mu ewo bia friends Hoho and Saturday non so bopa unsima dunuma and I won't be too moto a free bia friend and say Alhaji Salia opposite Primrose International School opposite to all na omatimi a free Kumasi Fumisa abono ababa kakra akwa mu na onyankropa so mo kodi entaban so na odi omo akọ asumdwemu e wo Hoho nti enne a wohwe video e na no papa ya no be ba 7:15 am and your darling club Asante Kotoko one be two on two na afi omakwa mu na asha kesi na se abo amabia ewie onemdie so ewom tie details ye na enom enti ene ne atranse a yede details ni nyina no e ma on tentem so ewom de tie ene se Lord Amoah out of Asante Kotoko game eba so nyamedi adoma eda kwesiada Lord Amoah out of the game. Your checks any BBR HSL Lord Amoah yellow card 3 into your fullback Lord Amoah were out of the game on to me Emobi and no ancient way to 20 players are a2 moto in about an hour time and some more coino dear Lord Amoah and Kobe Lord Amoah and your 3 yellow card on to me NC a kind of into out of the game. Now Mama Kwame Poku situation. Kwame Poku so the betimi aka say all the week nyina na say na otwe mu nyina no training and shadan tentam ama Kwame. Ne santi Kwame Poku wono so okokobo game ni bia na a miracle and am say ade bia week in the training some any injury no antumi ndi amboa no a wono so automatically out of the game yade to Walid Nema Fuseni Ababeshe training I say, but it checks any report HS say onya full match fitness. They say until Walid name of Hussein, it doesn't look likely. Say ono dia ono sube to me akwakwesi aka Emmanuel Lantry story and I ye dear chi, hey, Ima, yo. Emmanuel entry so the ayatitian and it's a weekend, on also jam ewan crying unconfirmed reports. And I yensaka said it's likely cross say our be ya ben abubuano. And no ayan komoka cra. I told you MZ weekend, your man for crash or quack or wedding was a then day. I checks, They are told just a woman, but and and one some and I can't see idea here. And it's Kwame Poku Walid name Emmanuel entry. The name and it's almost Kobe Lord Amoah out due to the fact that yellow card Mako me and son and I want to me Ajia and also and someone. Yadema in a team for a woman. Now, Kotoko trip to Hawaii, maybe I 20-man squad and I want at the air 20-man squad and I want the air 15 senior players, 15 senior players, and Amode Kako PMO, not 5 youth team players. Woman so Ababi Remwa, and no and some credit to Ja, Ama in a tier for a woman, not their tier, and it's last time, not 4 youth team players, and I come home, players Marco and 9, and I come home, and not this time around, Oma invited one striker from the youth side, I become home, 5 junior side players and no a to ja ufri kumasi na ukobia me ba 20 Ghana cedis and a hohoi for no flat rate womo ejia yedi to ja udru hohoi ho a baby a friend is a Hampton Resort ubenya ticket ni bi out of VOV radio and a maxi phones e ho nyina no womo eton bia wonsa ebetumi kan intentem so e kakra di to ja e wo live GH live studio so Ama in a tier for a woman, national so Emma say coach at the Amoah United Tijani and our friend so one player, your friend is William Odro, woman and some kakra atu to ja e say game of money asante Kotoko Bueno Krabeshe na omani da so ombetime dinkunim at the Amoah United Boboku no na wana chita so any etumi aja and no ain't some kakra free mo e to ja e woman na young fun to just a woman so full training. Outdoor so mu yonyina no womo atumi aya week mu bibia de din edema Amoah United boboko na enema ekoso na enei one player baako ena na uhwemu a esechemato kakra eko ede atia no nanso uhwemu a enei ne ho atimi atono sena ati one player friend say ati sena yes or no ena na ne hododo no kakra nanso bibia de din a we full fitter Woma declare fit and they wait me at us so now we see a kind Eddie Amoah United Boboku no and no a player or share number 11 Jesse Atisina where you full fitter bibia eto to dra ewomu na yan fan to anime say enei mpanyufo do Amoah area ho ene team owner ene mpanyufo do nyina ahye nkwada ne bo se omo hye ye krobiafo a eno beboa wo ma mo mileage omo hwehwe no akwa animu nti so omo hye Kotoko a womo ediska emu oduru kakra ebetefa so ede ama wo ma no ensam kakra de tuja ama ene ye ne tiefo ewomu na yemfa nto animu se ene ya Kwame Poku Walid name Emmanuel entry Lord Amoah mostly Lord Amoah de no yellow card entry man nkonkosi akan ni bie no yemfa nto anim se ene dia Ghana Football Association me pacho wo mani abreak kakra na enkomodia bi ni ahomatwetwe bi akoso a they say 3 yellow card down no ma na players ni nya na so emo mo fie 1 game suspension no and panyfo so mo hwe so mbetwetwe mu e de akọ 5 we air reporter insa eka we nyina ne beto dwa just a GFA extraordinary congress bi atodwa na omatimi a repair sa amramra we nyina na bibia tumi akoso ewo mu na wotwe mu kra na wokọ mu England announce any other top flight league or mobile. Say Meridia also footballers in the top flight receive a 1-match ban for accumulating 5 yellow cards in their side first 19 matches. After 19 games, the ban moved to 10 yellow cards. Players receiving 10 yellow cards prior to the conclusion of the 32nd game receive a 2-match suspension. Enti Ghana nyamianim 3 games nansana what you got to it's easy to get 3 games yellow card nyamianim no kreni enti hono kwa de sampanyfo mu pushi ama ene teams ni nyina mo kan bom no pushi ama sade FA adwena timi abamu a megidi se ebeboa yi papa no enchemu kakra yede etudwa ewo now yankwa anima coach Eli no and a video analyst edema Sante Kotoko they said officially ono nso egina mu apampe obo na dwuma game bia Kotoko bebo no otwa camera no footage no kama now wa access players no more during training session. Aside that, so opponent video and then so ade be a coach Eli no and a video and analyst edema Sante Kotoko no oboye papa eno enchemu a yedema in a tier for ewo mu na yankwa anima na yemfa bimpi so na yankwa anim tentem so Asante Kotoko boboko no me ba twa wo mu akwakoye meeting chenche na meeting ni mu no nsem bi e baaye ansana ne etodwa no management ene ye kan say technical handlers din komo how aniama betumi akoso na bibia awie nkonimdie so na most likely Kotoko technical handlers na so ni players no ahyiamu ebi ye individual session eno wadi din komo na omatimi ahwe sane beye na ene media sansam kakra ne nsam a etodwa no entimi nkwankonnyo musunsu aso ma bibia enkuntia wo mo ne santi Kotoko technical handlers no edia two players na the last 5 games akai na Kotoko yewie first round no ese omobon gadindim gadem operation get all the points na monso mutimi nya management crowd say wo mbehye moni munyam wo sikasemu no de etodwa yene ho United yi Kotoko mpanyufo wa arishemu say away win ese todwa na 5 games on target no Dreams FC so yewie we are home yene omo boy we Dreams no so ya away ye call wonders 11 wonders now from 11 wonders no ba be home with Bichem United and no de etodwa na fi last game of the first round no All Blacks and no enchimu bansana ya boss second round no na watina home any Chelsea nominate Gold Stars akwa we ni ba sakasa ba home and no de etodwa nti they say the next 5 games and Kotoko technical handlers na target here womo any players yi adi hu nkomo ahwesane ebe na bibia ebetimi atumpo na nkonimdi bo no atumi akọ edi ama Sante Kotoko bo no ewo mu na transfer hu nsam dabanim kakro memfa difa na memfa binkum transfer ma memfa we peace my way ye be shada aba any full episode edi amount. This is what we know now, transfer of players. Yes, the TNA. A winger, one winger, and one asterisk, another one, making it 2 strikers. But all things being equal, Sekoko one and man one. But a one, and no matter draw a kakra to internet, another striker, and so a can one, a bit me repay, and no a kakra yet here. Midfielder. And a goalkeeping position, so matter asterisk out on camera. It means say Jose a movement be bar and a bema one more adrian Jose one more ebeka goalkeeper that chin and come be. But as we know now, Kotoko official transfer committee or matia no mudi a big kama no be the din business as usual. Koso 4 to 5 players. Ebe join club ya mapoma metema Sante Kotoko January transfer window no di nim nti ese bosso na yedema in a team for ewo mu me ba be players no mu 3 siedini yi mame na winger no omo pe left footed winger player oya binkuma na obo yankan set to number 11 na so sa timi kran so ebo eba bedasia ha ekerese de tu benkum ne so eye crossing enti one winger se ebetimi aka se winger edema boboku a mo friend say Bichem United e wo mu se ne ma nkoyie ma wo mo but omo number 11 shirted Jesse Emmanuel Aban yesimpanyifo ahye nkomodi ase assess ne nkomodi ani ade bibia ekoso e wo mu bonidin aha de yate eno no eye ono any between Krachia or Tuntana Emma Womi, your friend say Rudolph Mensah, formerly of Liberty Professionals. Na oko ekosi akan kakra ewa monone yesine Kotoko me pacho wonyame na meto ama Kotoko ena information yade atumanim ena me boso edi ama erective nti emeka so bi a hye hype ase means hype bibia me mau information and say Rudolph Nana Kwesi Mensah Jr. the din full name and no Rudolph Nana Kwesi Mensah Jr. Our friend the emergency striker the nickname no emergency striker the atiane say animu ho no almost otimi bo animu ho baby akakra ebon tenten wanti between Rudolph Nana Kwesi Mensah and Emmanuel Aban and ombehwe atrusu mu baako say bia left wing so bibia ntimi mametwa wadre Nemo mu assess niema situation no ewie peye dia na ekoko ye omienu ansa na other place bia ba be ka ho a e ma na nya won nti local scene mu said ye wo mo scout e na ye te ho kakra e de ma foreigners e be ba be ka foreigners mienu e be ba be ka krobia ma poma metema sante Kotoko wo mo afi January transfer window yi ho but local scene mu de no say ding a ba be da ye pono so e Rudolph Nana Kwesi Mensah Jr. The nickname the emergency striker. We see a kind the ma Bobo Choir from Swadro All Blacks. Now, in fact, Obo Liberty professional, I think 2020 was 2019 or no Obo Liberty. And no free ho the call bia your friend is a Birmingham Legion FC. Birmingham. And no any UK Birmingham, no American Birmingham. Alabama. Alabama. And Obo USL Nibi. Wa more MLS na chibiba ninketuam eno be boy na anhye dan tentam eno returning back to Ghana na oba Ghana no eso ni golden kicks for ebe training kakra eno de joining All Blacks ene oguso ebo All Blacks Kotoko di ne ho nkomo di enim kakra ene de ma no May 20th 2001 eno se na ofo ewo no over 24 years eno ene nchemu a yede tuja ama inactive for live ewo GH Live Studios. Mame nko Bechem United player no nso so. One of the left wing ho ena obo. Ono nso a player me pacho over 22 years. Yes, Emmanuel Aban. Ono ne de eno no. Yede yes story e de ama onyame bo a yehu se nkomo no so far e take shape kama yede onwa abeto board yi so na one positioner ana omutimi ebo no ye de atoso ne acho ni nyina kama eno nso eye ntremu baako now still on All Blacks one player bi or a midfielder me bobo list na man me ka say one winger two strikers one or two strikers o de fan sa ma me and a midfielder na midfielder ono nso ni din ababeka ho bi no eye Aikabia Solomon ni din ni wa Aikabia Solomon Anyok Nareba. Yes, ono nso ewo 23 years. Osi akan e de ma Bobo Choir friend say All Blacks ni din de Aikabia Solomon Anyok Nareba. Eno no yese Kotoko odi ne ho nkomo. Nti we de amaka na abanua ena se Nareba eso ni din so no nso kakra by the way. Yeri trim e de ama inactive. Nti na metiama 3 names. That is Rudolph no, Emmanuel Abano, and a Solomon, Aikabia, Anyok, Nareba, Se Kotoko, womo transfer no, womo di epiemwa, enye Fedi Agroshadan Sumame, se 4, and answer 5 players, the minim, and it's a likelihood somebody joining us and Kotoko no, 4 or 5 new players no, a poke crowd, most definitely, womo ebe to me a journey no, a chimwa, say it took on 10 times super. Na unyani nyina kama ewu mu shadow so 15 players senior side and a AD team no mu akọ na 5 youth side players so aka ho be Lord Amoah out of our game here but due to accumulated yellow cards wanya ewu mu na metitin sem bi free nkran yo yes has say inie no Omo yini bia kamu a chese nyasem kuma o yesi be bosumi nan ni ade e kom yensan e ko 9 3 to 4 akatua no ayi bibio ho me de player bi nkomo ni ade na mete intercept ye na nkomo no Kotoko mu nkomo Kotoko player no na damfo esi akan o has e no se na ye bibi ketua bi a ade no kra bi a ne nka ho na red for ne ka no mo ka Only say 3 months ni no abo player ni the player ni. Ayi say omukro musika ema enso obi anka omunya radio ni bia mpo nka emfa ma wo mo. Na say sa no ka o say ai into a reporting speech and I'm so take akra me why animu e the amount. You bedom suko na ya peni ye e the abre in a TF4. Kotoko players mon konko boni ye na moye ni ya nka manimu ate. Monko boni ye na monsha ho for so aka 5 games na your friend is a group group stages we know first round na ba we ye mom yam finish hard o sha ho to me share dreams share 11 wonders share be chim e share all blaster na ya ku anim no mo flip anasa flip flop na mo ye no mo te eba de a ene e be kwa akofa samo aba nti yesre mo mode na mo wi ni maya yan se bebo aba so hi GH Live Studios Ghana's numero 1 ye do see yesa aba at the more gist abros